Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Alley. I'm Kayoum, and today we're diving into the world of computers to tackle some common issues you might face. We've all been there. Your computer freezes, your software crashes, or maybe you're just struggling to speed things up. Don't worry. Here at Tech Alley, I'm dedicated to helping you find practical solutions to these frustrating problems. Welcome back, everyone. So today I will be sharing 17 secret run commands that will be helping you to access many hidden and amazing secret tools, both on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I really recommend each and every Windows user that they must know about this run command, as it will be helping them in the future to access many kinds of hidden tools and tricks. So without any delay, let's quickly get started. And before starting, guys, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, turn the bell notification on, as it will not cost you any money, but will, yes, help my channel to bring more valuable videos for you. So now, in order to access the run command, you have two different and the easy method. Either you can make a right click on the Windows icon and click on Run, or you can also use the shortcut key that is Windows+. Alright, so once the run command is up, the very first run command is change PK. So, once you type this command, you can either press OK or you can hit the Enter key. Then it will ask your permission. So you will have to click on Yes. And this type of system activation box will now be coming up. And from here, only you can check the status of your Windows, that which version, which edition you are using. Is it either activated or not? And you can also change the product key from here. Okay, now the next command is char map. So you will have to type this. Then you will have to click on OK. And this will bring up the character map where you can find all kind of character that you can use. And instead of using any kind of third-party website to access these kind of character, you can access from the Windows option only. Alright. So in the font category, you can click on the drop-down and choose different kind of categories, whichever you want to access. And you can use this character anywhere, like on any kind of document notepad or any kind of website. Alright, so now let's move with the next command. That is the choice command. So open up the run box, type choice. Then you will have to click on OK. And this will bring up this black window. Now this command is basically for the people who write any kind of script. For example, if you want someone to answer the question in yes or no, so you can easily make the script from here only. Now, I won't go in that detail here. And now the next command is clean mgr. So just type clean mgr, then click on OK. Now this will bring up the disk cleanup where you can clean your drive. Select the drive from the list. Click on OK and it will let you know that what exactly you want to delete. Like if you want to clear all kind of cache temporary file, then you can select from here, whichever you want to exclude. You can uncheck that option. And then you can click on OK. So this will be deleting all these kind of temporary files from your drive. So this is another best command that you can use when you are running out of storage, or if you have any kind of problem with the hard drive. Alright, so now the next command we have is the computer default. If you type computer default in the run box and click on OK, now this will bring up the default application. And from here, only you can manage the default application, like for your browser or for any other kind of application. So many times you want to change the default application settings, so you can directly do this with this single command. And now next we have the CT tone. So this is another simple command that you have to type in the run box. Then you will have to click on OK. And once you click on OK, it will bring up Clear Type Text Tuner. Make the text on your screen easier to read. And basically this command is for the people who have difficulties reading any kind of text, any kind of article, or anything that has been written on the monitor. So what you can do, you can just click on Next and it will give you all kind of instruction that Windows is making sure your monitor is set to its native resolution. Then you can click on Next. Now it will give you some kind of examples. And you have to choose the one that suits you best, which you can read properly. And I'm very sure that majority of you might not be aware of this command about this feature on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. And next command is dixdiag. So again, you have to type this on your inbox. Then you will have to click on OK. And once you click on OK, it will bring up the DirectX diagnostic tool. That will give you all kind of information about your system. About the DirectX X, you can go to the display section and you can gather all kind of information that you want to. And now let's also see some popular tools that you can access through the run command. And the very first one is disk mgmt.msc. Then you have to click on OK. And this command will bring up the disk management, where you can access all kind of your disk connected to your computer. You can view all kind of partition. And from here, only you can make many kind of changes. Like you can change the drive letter, you can shrink the volume, you can expand the volume, or you can extend the volume, and many other options that you can manage from here. And similarly, the next command is misconfig. So again, type misconfig in the run box. Then you will have to click on OK. Now this will bring up the system configuration. And from here you can manage many of the options of Windows. Like in the general, you can find the startup selection, diagnostic startup, and the selected startup. Now these startup are basically for troubleshooting any kind of problem. And then you have the boot section if you click on the boot. Now from here, only you can save boot your computer by checking this option of save boot. You can also enable the other options like no joy boot, the boot log. You can change the timeout, and then you can also manage the services running in the background. You can also manage the startup from here. Then you have the tool section. So this is another amazing tool that you must know about it. And you can easily access with this one simple running command. Okay, now the next command that we have is the misinfo32. So simply type misinfo32 in the run box. Then you will have to click on OK. And this will bring up entire system information where you can gather and find your operating system, the build number, the BIOS state, BIOS mode, the secure boot status, and the available physical memory. Your virtualization status, each and every detail you can find from here. And this can be really useful for you in the future. If you want to know any kind of information about your processor, or about your RAM, virtualization, the secure boot, or TPM. Alright, so now let's move with the next command, that is powercfg.cpl. This is another amazing command that you can type in the run box. Then you will have to click on OK, and the power option box will now be coming up. Now here you can choose your preferred and desired power plan that you want to. And it all depends on your expectation and your requirement. Right. So now the next command in the list is a very simple command. And I'm very sure that majority of you might not be knowing about this. So you will have to type just PSR in the run box. Then you will have to click on OK. And this will bring up this small box that says Step Recorder. This tool is being phased out to explore alternatives. Now exactly what this tool does. In case if you want to troubleshoot any kind of problem, if you want to record any kind of steps, and you want to set that step to anyone, then you can simply click on Start Record. And the next time you click anywhere, it will be recording all the steps for you, that what exactly you did on your computer. If you want to know more about this tool, then you can just look in the YouTube, or you can let me know in the comment section. I can bring a dedicated video on this topic. Okay, so now let's move with the next command, that is WinWar. So you just have to type WINVER in the run box. Then you will have to click on OK. And this will bring up about Windows box that will display that what kind of operating system you are using. What is the version? What is the OS build number? And many a time while upgrading or downloading anything, you need such kind of information that you can access with this simple run command.